Of soft sugar crystals within a rich, nourishing... I'm not going to read all that. Hey guys, so I'm super excited for today's video. I got home from work today and I saw this outside my house and I'm so excited. When I envisioned starting my YouTube channel, this was like the one video I was so excited about filming every month because I love watching BoxyCharm unboxings on other people's channels, especially Kathleen Lights. She's my girl. But I love watching them and I love seeing what people get in them and I love seeing people apply them on their face and, you know, kind of tell me what they thought on first initial impression. So I'm super excited. We're going to do that in today's video. So let's go ahead and get started. So the theme this month is Galaxy Glow. And let's just go ahead and open this up. So BoxyCharm is a box that comes monthly and it is $21 and you get 5 full-sized products in the box every single month. And it is an amazing subscription. I love BoxyCharm. Every single month I'm super impressed. There's tons of products in there that are super expensive. So honestly, the box is $21, which seems like a lot, but you get way more than you bargained for. And it is just incredible. It's such a good box. So I highly recommend getting this box. So the first thing we have in here is the Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. And this is what it looks like. And it says that this is a $24 product. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lips. Okay. This is the cutest little bottle ever. Okay, so I'm not really sure what to do. It says moisturizing lip buffer, so your girl just gonna put it on her lips. Oh my gosh, it smells like lemon cookies. Ew, it looks like Vaseline or like Carmax. Oh. I don't know how to do this. And I know how to use exfoliators for your lips. This is like runny. So I actually got some in my mouth and it tastes delicious. I don't know if that's safe, but my lips feel much softer. It's kind of like an exfoliator, but a lot runnier, if that makes sense. So like it's not like hard and it's just not like beads or whatever they are, exfoliating properties. It's like kind of both. So my lips feel really smooth and soft and moisturized. So that's good. I'm excited. That's cool. So the next thing in the box is these Crown 3-piece Pro Brush Trio. And this brush trio is $30. So that's really nice. So I guess $10 a brush. So you get trace brushes. You get 3 brushes. You get like a little eyeshadow brush like for packing, or whatever you want it to be. And then we get this contour brush, it looks like. Maybe for hollowing out the cheekbones, or maybe for setting the under eye, or for, you know, whatever you want. It could be for highlighting too. So that's the second brush. And then the third one is, I don't know where the slip just went. This one's like a powder brush. Kind of looks like a Doom brush. Do this for bronzer. It seems kind of dense, so I probably won't. But maybe for blush, for all over powder, you know, that stuff. So I'm going to use these in the video if I can. Honestly, these brushes remind me exactly of the Wet n Wild brushes that you can get anywhere for like $3 or less. So, I mean, if you wanted some brushes that looked cute like this with like the white handle and like the little pink at the top, Wet n Wild's got them too. Then we got this, oh, I thought this one was going to have a pop-off noise too, but it's just like super loose. This is a Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. This pencil is $21? I mean, that's nice, not gonna lie. I'm gonna kind of let that sit on my hand and I'm gonna try and smudge it in a minute and see if it sticks, you know, that deal. Okay, so the next thing I'm so excited about, I'm so excited about this product. So it's the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And this is $28, so it's like a cream shadow, but look at this color. I'm sorry, what? That is so beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna put a few matte colors in my crease, and then we can put this on the eyeballs. So while I'm actually putting the matte shadows in my crease, I'm gonna take this crown brush that we got, the Packer brush, and I'm gonna dip into one of my other palettes and kind of push this on the outside, the outer corner. See how this works? Okay, so this brush worked great. No complaints at all. So now, now we're gonna pop on Cover FX color. So we're gonna pop this just on the inner corner. Well, not the inner corner, the inner half. See what happens. Oh my god, so beautiful. They're nowhere near as pigmented as the Cover, no. The Stila ones, they have, I mean, my skin's kind of showing through. Not kind of, it is. So if you're into that, cool. I'm gonna actually let it set and then I'm gonna try and build it up. So I'm gonna do the other eye really quickly. Okay, so I don't really know if this looks too good. So it's actually kind of bunching up on my eyelid. I don't know if that's, I don't know, I let it dry. Oh, this is a mess. I just don't, maybe I just need to work with it a little bit. It, I don't know, I let it set completely. So I might just use this as a base for the next product. So the next and final product is the Naked, first of all, pause. Look at this packaging. It's beautiful. So this is actually a kind of like different colored highlighter palette. I'm not really into this whole thing where everyone likes like the super colored highlights, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna actually take this middle top shade, it's a purple shade, and I'm gonna stick that on top of this this base and see if maybe that does something cool. So I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. I'm gonna try and blend out some of this top color. See if that really does anything. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I don't really think I like that Cover FX product just because, let me zoom you in and see if I can show you. So like, I have really bad bunching up on this eye. I literally just put a layer of it down and pressed a shadow over it and it just bunched up. It's also pretty sheer, not really easy to blend out. It's just, honestly, it looks pretty bad. And I've never actually had any problems with these cream liquid eyeshadows. They work fine for me and I know how to use them. So this was just kind of weird. I'll have to play around with it, honestly. But yeah, I think that's the first one that like is kind of sticking out to me as something that's a little off. Now we're gonna try one of these highlighters out as an actual highlighter. I think I'm gonna go with the most natural one. Are you shocked? No. So I'm gonna take this first one. It's like a pinky-ish shade. Let's see. I hope this is good. Jeez. Has such a very strong pink undertone. I'm just not into like the whole galaxy looking highlighter phase. I don't know anyone that's into it, but brands keep coming out with them, so. But yeah, I mean, it's just not my favorite. I'm actually gonna try and balance it out with this last shade. It's like super yellowy undertoned. We're just gonna try it over top of it. Oh, nope. It just made it look gray. But I gotta balance it out now, so we're just gonna do that. This is a great first BoxyCharm video. This is a $40 palette. Dang. In all honesty, I probably just won't be using it because it's not really colors that I can use or colors that I want to use. But I'm actually going to try out this eyeliner. I'm going to Tightline. There's not really much. It's an eyeliner. It doesn't do anything special. Unless it just lasts for hours on my skin, but I don't really see it doing that. Okay, so I did the math, and the overall value of this box was, oh, pooper! I didn't use these brushes. So I did the math, and the overall value of this box this month was $143, which is so good. That's like 7 times the amount you're paying for the bag, for the box, not the bag. Anyway, so that's what I'm saying, y'all. Like, this is such a good box. This was actually the first one that was kind of a dud for me. The only thing that I really liked was the brushes and the Seraphine Botanicals lip buffer. That's cool, and I'll probably still use that. I'll probably keep using that. But anyway, it's $21. Even if I just like the brushes alone, that's already more than the box is worth. So it's just a great box, and I encourage you guys to try it out. And I will upload these every month. I enjoy doing them, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Leave any video requests down below. Leave any encouraging comments down below or constructive criticism on my videos. I want to improve my videos in any way that I can, and getting feedback from you guys is really going to help me out. So leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! That is so satisfying. Hot. I don't want to. Well.